Crude prices tumbling more than $5 a barrel on Wednesday on demand concerns about worries about a slowing economy. Now, WTI is down now more than 10% after hitting a 13-month high just last week. Joining us right now is Helima Croft, RBC Capital Markets Global Head of Commodity Strategy and a CNBC contributor. Energy and the energy patch was the place to be. And, well, I guess the big question is it still?
I mean, certainly concerns about the broader macro backdrop are really hurting oil. I mean, Jay Powell, rate hikes have continued to be a persistent problem from OPEC, but adding to the worries yesterday was a very large gasoline build in the United States. So oil is having a very tough moment. I think the interesting question is, do we see a potential response mechanism from OPEC? Because they don't want to sit back and let a macro storm drag oil really far down.
So that's the question. What do you think the answer is?
I mean, look, I think OPEC is a different OPEC than 2015. In 2015, they basically sat back, were very passive, basically saying, we're going to see if shale breaks first. And they basically carried into the 30s. I can tell you the lesson from Saudi Arabia is you get in front of these type of sell-offs. So I would anticipate if we continue to see selling pressure over the next few days, if this looks like it's going to be, a sharp sell-off, potentially plunging into the 70s, I think we'll at least start to hear very clear statements from OPEC about potentially coming back in.
But is that the way you're handicapping this? Are we now moving back into the 70s? I mean, look, 3 weeks ago, we had people coming on this broadcast saying it was a straight shot to $100.
I mean, again, I think we just have to watch the coming days. Again, I think the fundamental backdrop for oil, despite the gasoline build yesterday, I think it remains strong. I mean, we did have crude, draws yesterday. I think gasoline is a particular problem. Refineries have been running very hard to produce distillates, and gasoline is a byproduct of that. So we've had this gasoline surplus. But again, the question is, do you have a macro storm that can bring oil in a place that fundamentals would not necessarily dictate?
Well, that's the question. Do you think that we are about to enter a demand problem?
I mean, again, I think
this is what Jay Powell might even want, even though I know he doesn't like to include, energy in his calculation. But that might be part of this.
I mean, certainly I would say that fear of Powell has been a real drag on the market this year. Now, if you look at demand overall, remember the China worry, China demand is going to be terrible. The numbers from China have been strong this year. So demand has been better than you would believe because of the macro stories. I do think this gasoline number, though, is causing concern. And that's why I would say the next thing to watch for if the selling pressure continues would be statements from OPEC about a willingness to come back into this market. Okay,
so let's say you get that statement. Does that stabilize things? And what would it stabilize and set at?
I mean, again, I think that this market remains stronger than this selling action would have us believe at the moment. The question is, what would be the size of a reduction? All these factors are in play. I would just say that the next thing to watch for, again, is what would OPEC do? Because, again, yes, we look on a path to 100 a week ago, but a macro move can take you pretty far south quickly. And, again, I just don't think OPEC's going to want to sit back and let this continue for much longer.
What do you think? Last question. What do you think the chances are we actually go back towards that $100 trajectory in the next 6 months?
In the next 6 months, I mean, we get to, year end, we have an OPEC meeting. Again, the question is, what do we see the path on rates? Where are we in terms of the macro backdrop? Again, part of the reason why oil was moving in a better direction was a lot of these broader macro fears receded, and there was more of a focus on the fundamental outlook. I mean, the fundamental outlook still remains quite strong. But right now we're in a macro storm. Hence why I would say, let's look what comes next from Vienna if this continues.